So this is the lesson 4 of integrative programming technologies about responsive design and CSS frameworks. So in establishing a website, so we have two kinds of websites. So we have the static website and the dynamic website. So when we say static website, so these are the website that only for viewing lang. So there is no need to input some text files or input some text, uploading some files. So certain for viewing lang. So examples of static website are advertisement websites, and at the same time, uh, there are websites that uh, yung basta for viewing lang. And then dynamic websites, so these are the websites that requires an interaction for an end user. So examples of dynamic website are social media websites, um, educational websites, so on and so forth. But these both types of websites is a responsive website nowadays. So pag sinabi nating responsive website, so ito yung website na madaling i-resize. Okay? So, view mo siya sa laptop, view mo siya sa tablet, view mo siya sa any kind of device that can access the World Wide Web. So, by definition, responsive design means you are designing your website so that it responds to your user's environment. Okay? Pag sinabing environment, on what device that the user uses based on screen size, platform, and orientation. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, si Facebook, meron siyang pang desktop size at meron siyang pang mobile size. So that is what we call the responsive design. So responsive design is, according to this quotation, is write once, run everywhere. So pag sinabi natin write once, you can develop it once but it can run everywhere. Ibig sabihin, it can run on several web browsers, several search engines, cross-platforms, several web programming languages. So that is responsive design. So what are the key benefits of having a website that is based on responsive design? So it is a content focused. So ibig sabihin, nakafocus siya on the content of the website itself. Kasi practicing responsive design and CSS framework is part of a work of a front-end developer or front-end programmer. So pag sinabi natin front-end developer, so these are the developers that creates the outside, the appearance of a website or a web page. Okay, cost effective. So uh you cannot create another website that are suitable for mobile phones or other devices kasi gumamit ka na ng responsive design. Cross-platforms. So cross-platform, it means that any search engine, but in most cases, exemption nito is Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Kasi minsan, gumagana siya kay Google Chrome, hindi siya gumagana kay Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge. Kasi meron silang mga certain links or mga certain libraries na ine-embed din uh, sa HTML scripting para mag-run siya on Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Easy to manage. Easy to manage in a sense that um, you cannot build, no? You cannot build or you cannot script a structure for another CSS for you to be able to beautify your website. SEO friendly. So SEO friendly or search engine optimization talks about putting a keywords, no, putting a keywords, and at the same time, uh, mas binibisita ng mga visitors. Pag sinabi natin mga visitors, ito yung mga nagkiklik ng mga website or nagkiklik ng isang web page para ma-view. Okay, so once na mas mataas ang ranking ng website mo or ng web page mo sa SEO, okay, mas mataas yung chance na agad siyang mag-a-appear sa isang search engine, for example, kay Google Chrome, no? Ah, or kay Google mismo, Google the search engine, you search a certain keyword, and then your website is maraming bumibisita, madaming nagkiklik sa website mo, and then mas malaki yung chance na mapupunta siya sa page 1. So that is search engine optimization. And then future proof. So this is the future of front-end developing or front-end programming. So this is an example of responsive design. As you can see, merong layout for the screen suitable for PC, whether it is portable or desktop, suitable for tablets, and suitable for um, smartphones. Minsan nga, kung smart ang refrigerator ninyo, okay, pwede rin ma-access yon as long as it can access the World Wide Web or it contains a web browser. So, punta naman tayo ngayon sa grading. Pag sinabi natin grading, this is the screen layout of a website depending on the screen layout of a device. Okay, so pag gumamit tayo ng mga CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, so Bootstrap is the very popular CSS framework, automatic mag-a-adjust yan. Mag-a-adjust yung mga contents, yung mga semantics, yung pag sinabi natin semantics, header, menu, navigation. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na semantics sa HTML. So, automatic sila yung mag-a-adjust depending on your design. And also, depending sa adjustment ng CSS ninyo. So, sa tutorial ng Bootstrap, malalaman ninyo on how to adjust CSS using the certain frameworks. So, we have top 5 frameworks na ginagamit today. So, we have the Bootstrap. So, social media Twitter is based on the Bootstrap CSS framework. Okay, Foundation, Bulma, UIKit, and Semantic UI. So, these are the top 5 CSS frameworks na ginagamit today. So, that's it for the lesson 4. And for the tutorial of Bootstrap, please go to the tutorial of Bootstrap that I uploaded on LMS. Thank you.